Gavumenti ya Uganda okulabira mu Ministry y'ebyoburambuzi eizire kombeka oburaro bwa Elena Camp oburi kushangwa mu irindiro ry'enyamaishwa rya Mount Rwenzori National Park mu district ya Kasese kandi bumazireho biliyoni na miliyoni rushanju mu sente za Uganda.
And accommodation has been a very big problem. So you are coming in to fund this accommodation is really timely, and as Uganda Wildlife Authority, Rwenzori Mountains National Park in particular, we highly appreciate.
Newton Akiza okuruga mu Ministry y'ebyoburambuzi kandi birajwekire permanent secretary omu ministry niyemwe nagira ngo government yehireyo okutungura ebyoburambuzi na munonga omu marindiro g'enyamaishwa ag'enshozi.
Mountaineering is a huge tourism product for Uganda, which once developed further will yield foreign exchange earnings for the country, jobs and livelihoods for our people.
Stephen Masaba orukora nka mukuru w'ekitongore ekirikurinda enyamaishwa kya Uganda Wildlife Authority wenangwa nashaba abantu okurinda ebintu ebiri omu myanya egi.
Abantu baffe wakati ndaba light yekola bangambi socket y'amasanyalaze kyakinze ku simu naye lwaki omuntu ava wano n'agenda n'amenya kabalubu nakatwala n'amenya kasola nakonona ate ngagenda kutuyamba okuleeta more visitors in future.
Arojas Muhindo orukora nka contractor wa Muhindo John and Friends Limited kandi yombekera oburaro obu nagira ngo atireme ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirije kusiha abarambuzi obuhereza burungi.
The visitors dining and kitchen, visitors dormitory with some self-contained rooms, a porter's dining and kitchen, a porter's dormitory, a rescue and first aid block, outside toilets and showers, water supply extended and installed in the camp, and wooden pathways.
We are of course working towards a growth of increasing in tourism, tourist arrivals, and also into our revenue in the GDP, which growth we are expected to reach about $50 billion US dollars in the next 15 years.
Elena Camp ni yerukushembayo wabanoza Margarita Peak kandi neshangwa ahari mitaze 15 above the sea level.
I take this valuable opportunity to hand over the mountaineering equipment to Uganda Wildlife Authority.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kasese.